Rich Dad Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki has advised us about a market crash on many occasions. Lately, he did it again in an interview with Stansberry Research last week. In today's video, we'll tell you all he had to say about the market crash. But before that, make sure you press that red subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon to get updated every time we post new videos. Let's get started. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, advised of an impending crash again this month, followed by a depression. He expects several markets to crash. With the S&P 500 back at all-time highs, the stock market is altogether telling off inflation and Omicron scare. But according to the Rich Dad Poor Dad author, Robert Kiyosaki, a threat lurks. In an interview with Stansberry Research last week, Kiyosaki directed out that the euro-dollar yield wind is now reversed, meaning shorter maturity debt pays advanced interest than longer maturity debt, which has historically meant something bad is happening. It was followed by Lehman Brothers. It was followed by COVID, he said. To be sure, it's not the first time that Kiyosaki has sounded the alarm. In September, he told Kitco News that the biggest crash in world history would hit in October. The author is not backing down from his ultra-bearish stance, predicated on inflation versus growth figures. Kiyosaki claimed we are beforehand in a technical depression, but Kiyosaki also handed investors with three means he's counting on to prepare for the inescapable downturn. One of them might be worth investing in with some of your surplus cash. First is gold. Over 35% of all US dollars were published in 2020. Gold, on the other hand, can't be published out of thin air like regular money. Also, its value is largely unaffected by economic events around the world, so he has a point. Second is silver. The grayish material may not feel as provocative as gold, but it could be an indeed better chance given its price action. Just like gold, tableware can act as a store of value, but it's more than just a haven asset. Silver is considerably used in the yield of solar panels. It's also a critical element in multitudinous vehicles, electrical control units. The mechanical demand plus the hedging plots make silver a truly interesting asset class for investors. And last is Bitcoin. If you follow the price of Bitcoin over the last numerous months, you know that crypto investing isn't always smooth sailing. That said, long-term holders, including Kiyosaki, are not complaining as the price of the world's largest cryptocurrency is still over more than 100% over the last 12 months. Investors can buy Bitcoins directly. Presently, multiple exchanges charge up to 4% in commission fees just to buy and vend crypto, but some investing apps charge 0%. While Kiyosaki likes gold, silver, and Bitcoin, he didn't say that they're vulnerable to market downturns, so keep that in mind. And that's all for today's video. Let us know your views in the comments section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.